6165 for your free booklet.
On the next From the Edge, Peter Lick searches for California gold. But the closer he gets, the greater the risk to himself.
Hold on, man. We won't lose you overboard.
From the Edge, tomorrow night at 9 on the Weather Channel. Were you or a loved one diagnosed with lung cancer? If so, we urge you to call now. The cancers listed on your screen may be linked to asbestos exposure. Exposure to asbestos in mills, factories, shipyards, or while working in the Navy, or as a plumber, electrician, plasterer, maintenance worker, or janitor may have put you at risk. If you or a loved one was diagnosed with lung cancer, call 1-800-836-2190 for a free legal consultation. Again, that's 1-800-836-2190. I'm a non-attorney spokesperson for James Sokolov, Wellesley, Mass.
Can you tell the difference between these flea and heartworm medications? They're exactly the same brands with the same protection, same guarantee, but these cost a lot less because they're from 1-800-PET-MEDS. And you'll get fast service, free shipping, and free returns. That's the 1-800-PET-MEDS difference. It's so easy to order, and you'll save a trip to the vet, too, because they're delivered free right to your door with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Call now or order online from 1-800-PET-MEDS, America's largest pet pharmacy.
Find your weather with your zip code, precise and personalized, at weather.com. Now, you're local on the 8s.
Currently, the temperature is 61 degrees with a thunderstorm. For your area. On Friday, we'll see mostly cloudy skies. Look for a chance of thunderstorms on Saturday. And on Sunday, expect fair skies.
Take a look at this. Right now, this is some live imagery northeast of Memphis. Looks like we're seeing some flashes here. This is a live video being shot right now by storm chaser Andy Gabrielson. We spoke with him just a moment ago, and he was on the move. And now he is stationary looking at this storm. And you can see, looks like we might have some inflow, maybe a lowering wall cloud as well. So this is a situation that we are keeping a close eye on here northeast of Memphis, Tennessee. Andy Gabrielson on the scene here.